Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on a POCO C40. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we're showing you how to download it in our other video. Now let's find it and open it. From here you can locate the files that you want to pack. Select each of the file. Click on this plus button. You'll enter archiving options, and here you can change anything about your RAR archive or zip archive. So pick the extension, you can change the name, set a password, or change any of this many available options and settings. You can also leave a comment if you want. And when everything is ready, click on OK. And that way you'll create your archive. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.